how to animate your AI videos for free. Note, this is not Grok AI. In this particular platform, it's free. You don't have to pay any money, and you can create unlimited videos as you want. So if you don't have access to Grok AI and you're looking for a platform where you can create videos and start making money on YouTube, then this video is for you, because in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the platform I used. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to head over to your ChatGPT. We are going to tell ChatGPT to give us the script. We are going to be using ChatGPT to get our script. So you're just going to tell ChatGPT how you want your story to be, how you want your videos to be. And remember, it's a dialogue video. We are going to be.
So ChatGPT has given us the script. Like, this is the script that I got from ChatGPT. The story is about like just a girl and a guy. They're just working, having a random discussion, talking about their maths exam. So it's ChatGPT you are using to get the script. You use ChatGPT, you just tell it how you want your video to be, how you want everything to be. So ChatGPT created two characters having a dialogue conversation. It gives space for Sarah, gives space for David. So the first thing is you are going to come to image prompt for scene 1. Then you copy the image prompt for scene 1. Then you paste it here. Then the next thing is you are going to come to scene 2. You are going to copy the image prompt for scene 2. Then you are going to leave a space. Then you are going to paste it here. Then after that, you now copy everything. Just copy everything. Once you are done doing that, you move over to your Chrome browser and search for this website. The website we are going to be using to do and get our animation photos. So look for Google Lab Fix. Then you click on sign in. This is the one you are going to click on. If you don't have an account, you set up an account, you sign in using your email and stuff like that. Then it's going to bring you over to this interface. You now head over to your Pinterest. You look for an image that best describe your character. You are going to now download the image, save it to your phone gallery. Once you have done that, you need to use that image to create multiple images that are going to use to create your scene. So you create on photo library. So you are now going to look for the image you got from Pinterest. You are going to click on it. Then it's going to bring you over to this interface. It's going to load. Once it's finished, then you are now going to paste that prompt. All those prompts you copied from ChatGPT, you are going to paste it here for this Google Fix to generate more images that you are going to use for scene 1. So you click on paste. Once you have done that, it's going to generate. And again, you need to change your video ratio. If your video is for YouTube short, you put it on 9.6. Since we are creating a YouTube short video, we are going to put it on 9.6. There you see now it's about creating 2 extra images using the image we got from Pinterest. So it's going to load. Once it's finished loading, then the next thing is you are going to head over to your ChatGPT again to copy the prompt for scene 3. So the first thing is you are going to delete the prompt for scene 1. Then you are going to head to scene 2 or scene 3, to copy the prompt. Then you paste the prompt for scene 3 above the prompt for scene 2. Do not delete the scene 2 prompt, only delete the scene 1 prompt. Then you post the prompt of scene 3. Then the next, you are going to now copy everything again, like as usual. You copy it. Once you finish copying it, you are going to head over to your Google Fix to generate the images or character for scene 3. So this is how you are going to be doing it until your scenes are complete. You have gotten all the characters for your scene. So you're going to paste it. Once you finish pasting it, you are going to click on it. There's going to generate. So you can use this to create as many as possible character as you want. So you can use this. So I'm going to paste it here. And mind you, it's not just only dialogue videos you can create. You can create any type of video. You can create any type of video that you want. Just follow everything I'm doing. Just give ChatGPT the prompt and it's going to help you to do everything. Then you come over to here to get your images. So the next thing is, once it's finished loading, you are going to download the images. You are going to download all the images you got here. So you are going to double tap on it and you are going to click on download. So click on download. You are going to save it to your photo or gallery, so that we are going to be using it for something else. So we're just going to save it. Then after that, once you have finished downloading it, you are going to head over to ChatGPT again for one last more time. So let's just download this one first. So okay, save to my file. So click on this, download again. Okay, it's going to save to, okay, save. Click on save. Then okay, click on save. Click on download. Okay, download is downloading. So okay, save, open. Okay, save, download. Then after I'm done saving them, so now we are going to move to ChatGPT again. Okay, we are going to move to ChatGPT. Now we are going to copy let's first remove this prompt. We're going to copy all this and delete it. We don't need it anymore again. So now the next thing is you are going to head over to scene 1 where the story started. So you are going to copy scene 1. You are going to be using ChatGPT to. So we are going to copy scene 1. And remember, we are going to be using we are going to be using YouTube to create the video. Yes, the YouTube you use to watch videos, that's what you are going to be using. So you are going to copy scene 1. You just copy scene 1. Do not copy too much, because if you copy too much, YouTube is not going to allow you to create the video. So I'll just copy only scene 1. I think it will not be that much. So copy scene 1. You start from David, then you end it at Sarah. That's where scene 1 stopped. You are going to paste it here. So now, once you are finished doing that, now listen, this is very important. You need to take note of this, because if you don't take note of it, it's not going to work. You need to, you see this place that say David, you are going to give it a prompt, or just say bracket the boy. You need to let the YouTube AI that I want to use to create this video to know that, okay, David is the boy. So that is not going to mix it up. So you are just going to say David bracket the boy, therefore Sarah the girl. So that's how you are going to do it for all of them, or for all the character. You are going to like make it to be specific, so that YouTube is going to know. So just say David the boy, Sarah the girl. Sarah is the girl. Sarah is the girl. So okay, Sarah the girl, David bracket the boy. David is the boy. So it's the boy that is speaking. So no, it's a dialogue video, so that is not going to be mixed up. David the boy. Then the last one, Sarah the girl. Okay, very good. Now the next thing is you are going to make sure, I want these videos to be, I want the English to be in a Nigerian English, so that they are not going to be speaking another country or another language. Sorry. So I'm just going to say both speaking Nigerian English. I am going to give it Nigerian English slowly, so that it's not going to be too fast, because you know it's AI, so that it's not going to be sounding too fast and stuff like that. So once you have finished doing this, you're now going to copy everything. You copy everything, then you head over to YouTube. You click on that plus icon, then you see that at the top, you click on that, then you click on create video, then it's going to bring you over to your photo gallery. Then you select the image for scene 1. You know, it's just scene 1 we are doing. So this is going to be the image for scene 1. Then I'm going to paste that prompt. I'm going to paste it here. So you're just going to click on paste. Then YouTube is going to help us to generate the animation video for scene 1. So it's just going to load, and let's just wait for it. It doesn't take time, for like 30 seconds. It's going to load. So you're just going to wait. Once,
hey Sarah,
okay, you see,
you look worried.
It's just going to say,
Hi David, I'm really scared about the maths exam next week.
Don't panic.
So
Which
this is
part?
our
Algebra
video. You
and
see
word
how
problems.
beautiful
I
is
get
it?
confused.
So now the
I
next
used to
thing
feel
is,
the
now
same.
let's go and create the video for scene 2. So you copy scene 2 scripts. You are going to copy scene 2. It's just the same thing we did for the first one. you are going to do. So you can just repeat this for as many scripts, for how many scenes that you have. You're just going to repeat it. And no, do not copy. You can't copy all these scenes together and upload it there. It's not going to work. YouTube is going to reject it. That's why you have to take it one after the other. So you need to take your time and do it. It's very easy. So you just follow the same thing we did. Sarah is the girl, then David is the boy. Just make sure it's here so that YouTube is going to understand it. So we just say Sarah the girl, David the boy. Okay, David the boy, Sarah the girl. Then you come down here. I want to, like I said, I want the video to be in a Nigerian English, and I want them to be speaking slowly. You need to put that. If you don't put that, the video, they will be speaking very fast and it will not really correlate. So you need to make sure everything is clear. Everything is clear. So Sarah is the girl, David the boy. Okay, I think I'm not done. I just have to put these two. Okay, it's David the boy. Okay, now calm down. Okay, now copy everything. So you copy everything. Once you copy everything, you head over to YouTube again to paste it. So we're just going to head over to our YouTube. Okay, now we're going to look for the images that best suit scene 2. So these are the images I want to use for scene 2. So this is going to be the image. So you just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to here. There you paste the script for scene 2, the script you copied from ChatGPT, and you are going to click on that. So now you see our video is ready.